Hi,
Hi,
Krishna.
hi, hi. Finally. I thought we lost each other.
I think first of all, you have an amazing name, Krishna. तो काफी चिढ़ाते थे बच्चे स्कूल में, कैसा था?
एक्चुअली बहुत ही बेस्ट चीज थी मेरे लिए मेरा नाम, क्योंकि कोई गाली नहीं दे पाता था। कोई मेरा नाम देके मुझे गाली नहीं दे पाता था। सब मुझे बहुत प्यार से मानते थे। एंड मेरा जब नाम मैं बताता था लोगों को, तो उनके एक्सपेक्टेशन मुझसे बहुत बढ़ जाती थी। कह रहे कृष्णा नाम है तुम्हारा, तो तुम तो बहुत ही धार्मिक होगे। और मैं निकला एकदम ऑपोजिट। तो या कभी मजाक नहीं उड़ाते थे। लड़कियां
मजाक
उड़ाती
नहीं।
थी। लड़कियां अक्सर कहा करती थी कि अरे कृष्णा की राधा तो मैं ही बनूंगी। तो वो मजाक तो मुझे अच्छा लगता था।
अच्छा लगता था। तो प्लेजर, हैविंग यू ऑन बिरयानी बाई किलो लाइव चैट,
Yeah, it's
एंड
the pleasure is all mine. I love the food. Just so you know, before we start, I would like to tell you guys make amazing food. I don't know if you make it or not, but whosoever makes it, it's damn good. Yeah, I love the
so
biryani, yeah. Especially the mutton biryani. It's amazing. Now
so
we can start.
did you try the Hyderabadi biryani or Lucknowi biryani or Calcutta?
Actually, I tried both. I
Both.
tried both of them, and I like the Hyderabadi more because it was a little more
Hyderabadi
spicy.
more spicy, huh? What
Yeah.
about kebab? Did you try any kalotis or chicken
I
seekh or what?
haven't tried kebabs yet, but I am very free right now. You guys can send me. I can try it right now on your live. I don't mind at all.
It will be a pleasure. So I think we're known for our mutton kalotis, veg kalotis, kebabs, kormas as well at the
Yeah, please,
Flemings.
please, please. I haven't tried the kebabs and everything, but I've tried the biryani by kilo actually. So I had the kilo by myself.
कृष्णा, आप कहाँ बॉम्बे में born and brought up है?
नहीं, बॉर्न एंड बॉट अप मैं बॉम्बे में नहीं हूँ। एक्चुअली मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, और दिल्ली में ही मैं पैदा दिल्ली में नहीं हुआ था। आई वाज बॉट अप इन दिल्ली, एंड आफ्टर वंस आई वाज डन विद माय कॉलेज, आई शिफ्टेड टू बॉम्बे। I
Okay,
shifted to
okay.
Bombay very recently, only I think 3 years back, 2, 3 years back almost.
And you've been acting in TV serials, Kumkum Bhagya, and all other things like for long, more than how many years it has been?
It has almost been 2 years, almost.
2 years.
Yeah,
Okay.
in Kumkum Bhagya. इससे पहले I was doing a web show, and उससे थोड़ा सा बाद में I did a reality show. It was
Oh,
called Roadies.
yes.
So yeah, been here and there for a while now.
But आप school, college से you have been in acting and theater and all those?
स्कूल कॉलेज तो सर आप बहुत आगे बढ़ गए। मैं तो कह रहा हूँ कि मैं एक्टिंग तब कर रहा था जब मैं माँ के पेट में था। मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है। एंड जब मैं चौथी या पांचवी क्लास में था, तब मैंने टीवी पे शाहरुख खान को देखा था ऐसे करते हुए। एंड दैट्स द टाइम आई थॉट आई वांट टू बी एन एक्टर, एंड आई थॉट कि दिस इज द ओनली थिंग आई कैन डू इन माय लाइफ, क्योंकि मैं पढ़ाई में बिल्कुल जीरो था। तो चाहते ना चाहते हुए भी मुझे पता था कि मुझे हमेशा से एक्टिंग ही करनी है। मैं बचपन से एक्टिंग करता, कभी घर वालों के सामने, कभी टीचर्स के सामने, कभी गर्लफ्रेंड के सामने। The only one thing I constantly did all my life was acting. So it happened for me, and that's how it started. It was a dream. It was a very vague dream. I had my parents were totally anti this dream, but then things worked out. Things worked out, and now I'm acting and getting money for it. इससे पहले I was acting and not getting any money.
No, no, kudos to you. You made a career out of what you really wanted to be, and you
Yeah.
sustained it done so well. Kudos to you. But did you went to any acting school वगैरह कोई गए आप, या आप like कहते पहले?
मैं actually acting school. अरे Zishan is here. My another co-actor. What's
Oh,
up? So yeah, मैं एक्टिंग स्कूल नहीं गया। मैं थिएटर गया था। I went to a theater called Shriram Theatres. It's in Delhi for a while
yes.
to study acting, to actually rehearse and practice and become better. And then मैं schools में plays करता रहता था काफी। I used to do a lot of drama. I did Julius Caesar and Shakespeare. I used to really like drama. तो वहाँ पे here and there everywhere, but not really went to an acting school. I did theatre all my life.
Theater is like an acting school,
Me too.
right? Like,
I'm so sorry to cut you. Mugdha is also here.
Oh, Mugdha is here. Hi, hi, Mugdha. So we were on live with Mugdha. It was, amazing talking to her. She's so talented. Be it acting, cooking, travel. I think she's a writer. She's a singer. I think. So
Yeah,
Mugdha ji,
she's
how did
sorry. What was the last
how,
thing you said?
how is it working with Mugdha? She looks very talented, very happy, very vibrant, everything.
She looks talented. She feels talented when you work with her. You, when you when you're working with her, it feels like you're working with some talented person there in the room. And
Yeah.
yeah, what you said, everything she is, and you should multiply that by 10. That's how she is in real life. So everything
See,
she does, she cooks really well. She acts really
uh,
well. Everything she does, does it really well. So yeah, everything you know about Mugdha, it's into 10.
so she's a complete package. I think.
Yeah, totally,
Totally.
complete package. It,
I think some people, if I can say, they can be very good at their work, but it might not be that easy to work with them. Not only in acting, but in office anywhere. I think Mugdha also comes across someone who will be like
I
easy to
think it's
get
me.
along.
I think it's me.
Uh, so all
Yeah, tell
and
me.
how was your experience working with MTV Roadies?
My experience.
Okay.
It was like a roller coaster. So it had its ups and downs, and mostly it was up only. So a reality show is very different. It's very different from normal acting that you do.
वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
Yeah, you in a show तुम्हें हमेशा एक कैरेक्टर प्ले करना होता है. Like कृष्णा को एक रणबीर कैरेक्टर प्ले करना है. एक रियलिटी शो में तुम्हें कृष्णा प्ले करना है. You have to be yourself. तो कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होती है, कुछ सीन्स नहीं बताए जाते, तुम्हें बस रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन दी जाती है और तुम्हें उस हिसाब से उसी के अराउंड जो कृष्णा करेगा वो करना होता है. And which is I think the hardest and the simplest to do, because you get to do what your gut says and then you get to blame only yourself for everything. So I think that's how it's different from the mainstream acting.
So when you say Krishna play करना होता है, and so who is the real Krishna? Krishna के बारे में बताइए. When you play Krishna, who's Krishna?
कृष्णा एक्चुअली जो आप टीवी पे देखते हैं रणबीर, उससे काफी सिमिलर है. काफी मतलब इट्स नॉट वेरी हार्ड टू फिगर आउट कृष्णा. इट्स वेरी इजी एक्चुअली, because the character I'm playing, it's so when people ask me ki, is it difficult to act, is it difficult to remember lines, is it, so I just tell them I am just myself and the director says action and it just goes on. Like I don't feel like I'm working. It does not feel like I am trying to do anything. It comes so naturally to me. That's what I'm saying. It's very similar. My character and me, they are very
So
similar
Kum-
to each other.
so your character is, if I can say, is it a happy-go-lucky kind of character?
Yeah. So happy, more happier than me all the time. आजकल तो ब्रेकअप हो रखा है, आजकल तो थोड़ा सा सैड चल रहा है बेचारा, तो आजकल रोड हो रहा है बहुत. बट वैसे ही इज a happy go lucky guy. He is just like me. I think Krishna just wants to have fun. Krishna just wants to be happy, and I think Krishna just wants to keep everyone around him very happy. No matter if he has to dance or he has to take off his shirt and keep roaming around, whatever he has to do, he will do. So that's how Krishna is.
पर आपको अगर कोई बहुत नेगेटिव या सीरियस रोल दिया जाए, you think you'll do justice to that as well? You think?
Actually, you might not know it, but I started off as a negative character only.
Okay.
When I started off as an actor, I was doing this web show called Punch Beat. It was for all Balaji. So I started off, and what the character I was playing, it was called Roy Mehrotra, and this guy was a brat. He was a brat. He was the negative guy, and the first time the role got offered to me, I thought I could not pull it off. Obviously, I could not, because in my real life, I'm not like that at all. So I thought कि I will mess up. I didn't know if I could play it in a nice way or not, because the dialogues were also different, and the guy who जो मैं कर रहा था, जो रॉय कर रहा था, वो बहुत ही घिनौनी चीजें थी. मुझे लगा कैसे करूँगा. And somehow, I don't know how I did, but I pulled it off somehow. I gave my best. I tried to think like Roy, and that's when I realized acting is not about being in your comfort zone. It's about being outside your comfort zone.
Outside the
It's
comfort
very,
zone.
I think it's very simple to react in a way which you think is right. And it's very difficult to react in a way that your character feels like reacting. You have to specifically feel that other person, that character, and then react, which I think is comparatively more challenging and fun. And fun. So I think I had a lot of fun while doing it, and I don't know if I did a good job or not. That I don't know because I can't judge my own work. So that for that you will have to see that.
No, we see that because sometimes like Saif Ali Khan performing in Omkara, which is like a Shakespeare play, or Ranveer
Yeah,
Singh,
totally.
those negative roles, the people you have a very positive image might be a bit difficult to portray.
Yeah, but I think the more difficult it is, my life is difficult, I feel. The more difficult it is, the more fun it gets.
Fun it is.
And the fun, I think as an actor, you just want to have a lot of fun when you do things. So you want things to be challenging, you want things to be hard, you want things to, तुम वो सारी चीजें करना चाहते हो जो तुम असल जिंदगी में नहीं कर सकते हो। असल जिंदगी में कोई ऐसे बाहें फैला के हीरोइन की तरह भागता नहीं है। असल जिंदगी में कोई आंखों में देख के नहीं बोलता है मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ और मैं तुम्हारे साथ करना चाहता हूँ। But these are the things which give you the kick, which give you the kick because you realize कि यार मैं असल जिंदगी में कभी ये नहीं करूँगा। Never will I ever be able to do it in this way. That's what inspires you. That's what gets you on. That's what your high is, I think, as an actor.
And what about dancing, singing? Are they your fortes?
I would like to believe that. I would definitely like to believe that. And I don't know if they're my fortes or not, but I enjoy doing them. I really enjoy dancing. I love dancing. I think I love it when I can use my body more. And in acting also, when I want to be very open about my thoughts, I tend to use my body a lot. I use my hands, I use my body, I use my head, my hair, everything. I like when I can use 100% of my body, and which comes very easy in dancing. So and plus I'm really inspired by Bollywood. Like I love Bollywood, and I love the expressions. I love the old school mainstream drama. I don't think I'm very good at dancing, which happens these days, which is too good, like Tiger Shroff and everyone they do, which is tuck tuck tuck. That I think is a little complicated for me. But apart from that, the old school dancing in which you can sing and you can express and you can run and you can use your body, I think that is my favorite. I believe singing, though, I just make fun of myself. I just think if I go stand up and sing, it'll be more of a stand up comedy than singing. So as long as it entertains people, I'm okay with it.
No, but I think you would be quite good with comic roles as well. I think I can see that.
You can.
You have. I'm saying you would be good at comic roles, right?
I would want to. I love doing comedy. Because it's very. I think the hardest thing to do is to make someone laugh.
Right. I agree.
What do you think? You agree?
I think for comedy, your timing have to be perfect, and it has to be intelligent. There's some shade of truth which people realize, but they don't say it.
Yeah, exactly. So I think it's very easy to make someone sad. Like you go and tell, यार तुम बताया मेरी ना चाचा की लड़की बहुत खराब निकली है. You can very easily go ahead and make someone sad. But what takes effort is just going and telling, तुम बताया मेरी चाचा की लड़की किसी यार भाग गई वो. Try to make it fun. Like I think the happier the people are around you, the happier everyone is, the easier the work becomes. Wow. मैं आपकी वैनिटी यूज कर रहा था 5 मिनट के लिए लाइव था. ठीक है. अरे नहीं आप प्लीज आओ ना. मुझे बस थोड़ा सा इलाका चाहिए आपकी वैनिटी. प्लीज आओ ना. अरे नहीं हो जाएगा भाई. कम. एक्चुअली मैं किसी और की वैनिटी यूज कर रहा हूँ. Because in my room there are no signals, so I'm using someone else's vanity. So no problem. Tell me. Go ahead.
And what else Krishna likes other than acting? Eating.
I love eating biryani. I love Mughlai food. I love eating Mughlai food. The biryani you guys sent was damn good. I loved it. अक्सर मैं वैसे रेगुलर नहीं खा पाता हूँ बिकॉज आई एम ऑन अ डाइट मेनली एंड आई स्टिक टू लो कार्ब डाइट, सो बिरयानी में इतना नहीं खाता हूँ. But whenever I'm on a cheat day or I'm on a Sunday or traveling or eating outside, I prefer biryani. I love biryani. I just I love watching. I love observing people. So I like traveling. When I travel, I see a lot of people. I meet a lot of people. I like I like chilling. Chilling, I really like. I like when it's a long day, a long run, and you can go back home and you have a few friends. You can sit and you can talk. I think that part of the day I really like. So apart from that, I think I like all these things.
No, I think you look like a very happy, positive person. I think so. I think life becomes easy then.
Ah, easy, easy. I think when you're happy, you're just a good person. It's easy to be a good person when you're just happy. Because usually, when you're sad, if someone comes up to you and tells you, "यार मुझे ना मुझे 10 रुपए चाहिए," and then if you're just sad and you just don't want to, you won't be like कि नहीं मैं मेरे पास नहीं, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मेरी लाइफ में ऑलरेडी बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है, हाँ and निकल जाएगा. And if someone comes to you on a very happy day, on a Sunday where you've chilled and you've had a good time, and someone comes in, भाई मेरे को 10 रुपए चाहिए, you're like 10, अबे 20 रख, see you, and you'll leave. So I think when you're just happy, it's very easy to be a good person. So I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I had a call. Anyway, so I just think life becomes really easy when when you're just happy or you're just not feeling sad. So I try to keep it that way.
So I think like there was some saying ki whether successful people are happy, but I think it's the other way around. That happy people are successful because
Very
everything
true.
starts working for them.
Very
हाँ.
true. Very true. I believe that. I second that, and I think you are right. मतलब जब मैं छोटा था और मैं अपने पिताजी को देखता था, हम बहुत ही एवरेज हाउस होल्ड से थे, एंड वी वर वेरी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, एंड ऑन दैट नोट ओनली आई थॉट अबाउट दिस. तो मैं देखता था अपने पिताजी को, तो मैं देखता था कि वो बहुत स्ट्रगल वाली जिंदगी जी रहे हैं. मतलब वो बच्चों को बेस्ट चीजें नहीं ला के दे पा रहे. मेरे पास सबसे बेस्ट फोन नहीं है, मेरे दोस्तों के पास जो चीजें वो मेरे पास नहीं है. तो मुझे लगता, और वो हर चीज में थोड़ा कम, थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज, थोड़ी चीजें, थोड़ी होता है ना कि होटल में जा रहे हैं तो सबसे महंगी चीज नहीं ऑर्डर करेंगे, ठीक है, उससे महंगी चीज थोड़ी कम ऑर्डर करेंगे, तो और खाएंगे तो पूरा खत्म करेंगे. तो कुछ ऐसी चीजें देखता था तो मुझे लगता था यार ये मेरे ख्याल से मेरे पापा तब खुश होंगे जब उनके पास बहुत पैसा आएगा और अपनी पूरी जिंदगी ऐश कर पाएंगे, तब बहुत खुश होंगे. बट एज आई ग्रू अप आई सॉ दैट माय डैड वो उस छोटी सी दुनिया में बहुत खुश थे. बहुत, वो अपनी एक छोटी सी दुनिया में, वो अपने एक छोटे स्ट्रगल में, एक उसमें वो बहुत खुश थे, बहुत ज्यादा. एंड टुडे व्हेन touchwood things are better, things are moving in a positive direction, he's still happy. So things didn't change. Like time changed, things went from here to here to here, but the constant was the happiness which he had always. So I think that's the key point. Time will change. Obviously, you will always be working hard for better things in life, but the key is to be happy. That's what I learned from my father, actually.
No, I think you're right. So I think happiness is something very integral to a human being. I think every human being has a very different happiness index. और वो ज्यादा external factor से थोड़ा फर्क पड़ सकता है, but inherently you are who you are. I think उससे ज्यादा. And I think, like we said, that I think a message viewers can also take is कि if you're happy, life is good. Right? There is a greater chance you'll be successful and positive and everything else. Right?
And by the way,
happiness.
if you're not also successful, still you're happy.
क्या फर्क पड़ता है? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? क्या फर्क की फर्क पड़ता है?
यार की फर्क पड़ता है.
की फर्क पड़ता है. हाँ. आपको काफी लोग मैसेज भेज रहे हैं. You want to take any of the comments?
Yeah, definitely. Please go ahead. Read any of the questions. I'll answer.
So let me see. So someone is saying, Mahasuti, I'm your biggest fan. So a lot of people really love you. I think it is for who you are also, not only your acting. It is a person who you are.
Oh, my dad is here. I think he saw this. My
So
dad
he
was
must
here.
have.
I think he saw this live. I'm glad. Thank God.
So did you think आपको it took out of your success, what really matters more? The acting part of it, the work part, money part, the love of the fans, the recognition, what matters a lot?
I think everything matters. जो आपने बोला, everything matters a little. But what matters the most is to put in hard work. What matters the most is to work like a maniac. Like what matters at the end of the day, you can't change anything. Like you can't change what's written. You can't change what's there for you in store. The only thing you have control over is to give your best. I think the only thing you can control is to do your best. मतलब जब तुम खुदा के सामने खड़े हो तो खुदा तुमसे पूछेगी, तो तुम खुदा के सामने ये बोलो कि ये दिक्कत थी जीवन में, वो दिक्कत थी तो खुदा तुमसे पूछेगी तुमने क्या किया, तो तुम्हारे पास ये जवाब होना चाहिए कि मैंने अपना बेस्ट किया. So out of all this, you should just work hard. Just work hard. That's it. That's the only thing I think you can do is to work hard and be nice, be kind, be good to people. That's it. And plus everything matters. माँ बाप का प्यार बहुत मैटर करता है. हर चीज बहुत मैटर करती है. प्यार तो obviously is the key to everything. If you are loved, it matters a lot. जब मैं देखता हूँ, मैं ये सब जब सारे लोग आके प्यार भरी बातें करते हैं, सब बोलते हैं. My mom is also here, I think. My mom.
Oh wow.
So जब ये सब लोग आते हैं और प्यार भरी बातें करते हैं, इतना प्यार जताते हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैंने अभी एक इंटरव्यू में बोला कि लोगों की जिंदगी निकल जाती है किसी एक इंसान से प्यार करवाने में, किसी एक इंसान से लोगों की जिंदगी निकल जाती है. लेकिन असल में जब हमें एज एन एक्टर, जब इतने सारे लोग एक साथ ऐसे बल्ज में प्यार करते हैं, तो आई तो फील वेरी लकी. I feel very lucky. I feel amazing. I feel कि कुछ बहुत अच्छे कर्म रहे होंगे, ठीक है, जो इतना प्यार मिला. And this is the love which keeps you going. ये जो प्यार है सबका, ये जो प्यार है, यही तुम्हें आगे बढ़ने के लिए मोटिवेट करता है. No amount of money can motivate you, because after a point of time that also becomes a side thing. No amount of fame can actually motivate you. This love what you get, and this recognition what you get for your good work, when people really appreciate it, good, yeah, that is the key.
No, you're very right, and I think to a certain extent, and a large extent, you're very deserving of this love. Not only for your hard work, but for the person you are, happy and positive and humble.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
मेरे को लोगों ने, I think someone said to ask you कि आप बिरयानी इतनी खा रहे हैं, बिरयानी की, and you like all the other good food also. How are you so fit? तो जिम काफी करते हैं, जॉगिंग वगैरह क्या करते हैं आप?
Yeah, the key to it is to have a balanced diet. मतलब आप खाओ, आपको जो अच्छा लगता है आप वो खाओ, लेकिन हर चीज को अगर आप तोल नाप के खाओगे, मतलब हर चीज में किसी में एक्सेस नहीं करोगे. मेरी माँ कहती है कि एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज बैड, एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. तुम पानी भी ज्यादा पियोगे, तुम्हारी किडनी खराब हो जाएगी. तुम स्मोक ज्यादा करोगे, तुम्हें लंग में कुछ हो जाएगा. एनीथिंग यू डू इन अबंडेंस इज बैड. सो व्हाट आई ट्राई टू डू इज आई ट्राई टू ईट इन अ बैलेंस्ड वे. ठीक है, अगर मैं एक दिन बिरयानी बहुत सारी खा रहा हूँ, तो मैं अगले दिन थोड़ा कम खाता हूँ. या अगर मैं एक मील में बहुत ज्यादा बिरयानी खाता हूँ, तो मैं अगले मील में थोड़ा फ्रूट्स, वेजीज, वो सब खा लेता हूँ. एंड इट्स ओनली अनहेल्दी इफ यू मेक इट अनहेल्दी. If you eat it like a maniac, if you keep eating it all day, abundance, obviously मेरा भी लाला जी जैसा पेट होता. फिर मैं रणवीर नहीं होता, रणवीर का डैड होता. ऐसे मेरे पापा का भी पेट नहीं है, but so yeah.
तो you are saying कि moderation में करते रहो सब लाइफ को.
Moderation, everything keep balanced. हर चीज बैलेंस रखो. जो हमारे पूर्वज करते आ रहे हैं, जो हमारे माता पिता करते आ रहे हैं, उनके दादा दादी करते हैं, वो लोग बहुत फिट रहे हैं लाइफ में. वो इसलिए फिट रहे हैं क्योंकि वो हमेशा से एक बैलेंस डाइट को फॉलो करते आए हैं. हमें भी वही करना चाहिए. हमें भी एक बहुत साधारण, सिंपल, बेसिक बैलेंस डाइट. दैट्स इट. मॉडरेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
And what about gymming? Are you a big gymmer कि रोज 1 घंटा एक्सरसाइज करनी है, जिम करनी है?
Totally. वो भी बहुत जरूरी है गाइस. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ खाओ और सिर्फ रहो. You have to skip that part. I'm so sorry, मैंने मिस कर दिया वो part. But I think मैं बहुत वर्कआउट करता हूँ. Well, I love working out, and because obviously in the profession I am in, we have to obviously look chiseled all the time, so it takes efforts, and one of those efforts is to work out. And I do work out, and I think everyone who wants to get fit has to work out at a certain level, depending on what you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable running, just run. If you're comfortable jogging, just jog. If you're comfortable doing yoga, just do yoga. and whatever you're comfortable and which gives you results. If you are comfortable doing weight training, do weight training. But again, a balanced lifestyle.
करते रहना चाहिए हाँ. And who are your favorite actors? आपके favorite कौन है actors? Anyone?
मेरे फेवरेट एक्टर्स मेरे को मेल में तो सबको पता, अभी तक तो सबको पता चल चुका होगा कि मैं शाहरुख खान का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. एंड मैं बचपन से उनको देखता आ रहा हूँ. मैं बचपन से उनसे बहुत इंस्पायर्ड हूँ. मेरे को जीवन में जब मैं उनसे मिल जाऊंगा, एक बार जब मैं उनसे हाथ मिला लूंगा, तो मैं वापस घर चला जाऊंगा कि अब मैंने जिंदगी में पा लिया कुछ सक्सेस. दैट विल बी द डे व्हेन आई विल से कि सक्सेस.
I'm sure someone who's listening will connect you soon.
I hope so, इंशाल्लाह.
और फीमेल एक्टर्स में?
फीमेल एक्टर्स में आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ Sriti Jha. So who plays Pragya in the serial Kumkum Bhagya. I am a big fan of her. Like, I've not seen any female act like that the way she does. I am a big fan because she's so true to her work. She's so she's just perfect. I think when she comes on screen, when she acts, even if it's a small scene, even if it's a big scene, even if it's a different kind of scene, she's just great.
So better than Mukta?
आप पता है मुझे, आप वो प्रेस वाले काम कर रहे हैं. No one's better or worse, यार. I love all of them.
No, I'm just joking, pulling your leg. So, but what genre of movies you like? Romantic, thrillers, comedy, or any particular genre?
Anything that can excite me. Anything that makes me go like this. Anything that makes me not to blink. Anything. It could be anything. It could be a horror movie. It could be a South Indian movie doing dance and hero punching or me laughing. Anything that excites me, anything that interests me. I love it. Recently I saw this movie AK versus AK. Anurag Kashyap versus Anil Kapoor. And I thought it was a great concept. And I think Mr. Anil Kapoor has done a great job. I think he's done a bomb-ass job. And it's actually, it does not have a genre. It's a new genre in itself. It's a reality come acting, come movie, come something. It is a different genre altogether. That I really like. So there's no genre. I'm not a genre specific person. I'm a content specific person. Like, if anything that's exciting, that has fire in it, I love it.
आप भी कुछ मुग्धा की तरह स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग और समथिंग करते हैं? Like Mugdha told us कि she does script writing as well. She's a writer. आप भी कुछ और?
Yeah. She writes. और मुझे बहुत टाइम बाद पता चला.
अच्छा.
She writes and मेरा कोई ऐसा हिडन टैलेंट नहीं है यार. मेरा जो है, मैं बिल्कुल बहुत ही डिस्प्ले कर चुका हूँ सब कुछ. आधे ज़्यादा चीजें मेरी दुनिया में सबने देख ली हैं. आधे टाइम तो मैं कपड़े उतार के घूमता रहता हूँ शो में करने. तो there is no hidden talent, guys. I am what I am. I hope there is. I try to work on my skill set. I'm trying to learn new things in life. I'm trying to get better at dancing. I'm trying to get better at singing. I just try to get better at what I have. But there's no amazing. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं रात को बैठ के सुबह उठूं और एकदम से आपको बताऊं कि आपको पता है रात को मैंने क्या कहानी लिखी. ऐसा नहीं.
जो है सामने है.
हाँ, आपको बिल्कुल सामने. पब्लिक डिस्प्ले पे हूँ सर मैं. पूरा
No, I think you're very, very positive, and I think you'll go great lengths. This is just the start.
Thank you so much.
Everything. मैं आपको viewers को थोड़ा सा बिरयानी भाई किलो का छोटा सा intro देता हूँ before we leave. We are now 45 locations, 25 cities from Calcutta, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, Pune, whole of North India, Chandigarh, Jaipur, everywhere. And बिरयानी बाई किलोस यूएसपी is कि हम जिस हांडी में दम दे के बनाते हैं उसी में बिरयानी को डिलीवर करते हैं. तो बहुत एक सेफ, हाइजीनिक एंड वेरी हाई क्वालिटी इंग्रेडिएंट. साथ में कबाब्स, कोरमास एंड फिरनीस, एंड इट्स वेरी सेफ. एंड we hope to keep getting every big company now, and we'll be in India and we'll be going to the world, and we want to, the way you are getting love, I think biryani by kilo, that is a big thing.
It should. It is good, guys. Please go ahead, order online. You will find it on Swiggy also, Zomato also. You can find them on Google also. And send me kebabs, please, sir.
I will.
Please send me kebabs.
I,
I'm waiting for your Giloti kebabs.
आप बिरयानी बाई किलो की वेबसाइट से ऐप से एंड वी हैव ऑल इंडिया कॉल सेंटर नंबर 9555212212 एंड बिफोर वी लीव आपकी कोई मैसेज टू द व्यूअर्स और
हाँ
विजन और
डेफिनेटली मैं उसी का वेट कर रहा था. मैं सब जितने भी लोग हैं मैं सबके कमेंट्स पढ़ रहा हूँ. आई लव यू मैन, हाय, बिग फैन, बिगेस्ट फैन फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. सो मैं सब पढ़ रहा हूँ. आई एम रीडिंग ऑल द कमेंट्स साइड बाय साइड एंड आई थिंक गाइस आई लव यू and thank you for joining in. Thank you for coming in on such a short notice. नहीं, actually notice बहुत बड़ा था, but thank you for joining in. Thank you for taking your time out. आप लोगों ने वक्त निकाला
थैंक यू
और आके देखा आपने. Thank you to you, sir. You are a great host and you are a great guy. I loved interacting with you. I loved the heart-to-heart conversation. I'm so
Yes.
glad that you did this, and I hope I'll see you someday in some
yes
interview.
yes yes
All
and
right.
we
Or everyone who was there, everyone who joined this live, guys, thank you so much for coming. And I hope I did not bore you with my so
नहीं
thoughtful
नहीं आप
live.
स्क्रीन बोर हो ही नहीं सकता मुझे नहीं लगता कोई बोर हो सकता
I would like to believe that. But I hope to see you soon. And
Yes.
enjoy yourself and watch Kumkum Bhagya at 9 p.m. only on ZTV, Monday to Friday.
Yes. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care. I love you all. Bye. Bye bye, sir.